Ano, okay na yan, ha?
1, 2, 3, tama to. Tabata. Maluin mo siya.
Three, two, one, go.
Hello, what's up mga katako? Samahan niyo po kami dahil aalis po kami. Mag-birthday po ang aking anak. Dahil ngayon po namin napagdesisyonan na wala po silang pasok. Kaya samahan niyo po kami guys. Tara!
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say damn, I learned some lessons, and say damn, I had no question.
Hello mga katakos, nandito po tayo ngayon. Maglalaro ng English Tagalog Challenge. Kung sino ang hindi makasagot, sub natin sa harina. Game.
Number 1 question. What can be seen once in a minute, twice in a moment, and never in 1,000 years?
Riddle.
Once in a minute, what can be seen once in a minute, twice in a moment, and never in 1,000 years? What can be seen? What can be seen once in a minute,
Okay, orasan ko.
twice in a moment,
5 seconds.
and never in 1,000 years?
Letter M. Pen yun ah.
Tama yung ano kay Kuya. Mag-ano kayo doon, Janet? Pila. Yardy!
What's up mga katakos? Game 2 na po tayo. With a twist yung gagawin po natin. Ang lalaroin po natin, meron po silang tubig sa bibig. Tapos tatakpan ko po sila nito. Tapos tatanggalin ko po yung nasa gitna nila. Kung sino po ang tumawa, papaluin ng plastic bottle sa ulo. Pero meron silang tubig sa bibig. Tara po mga katakos, panoorin nyo, nakakatawa to.
Bakit? Ano nakakatawa?
One zero. Sabihin niyo yung tubig.
Si ate.
Sabihin yung tubig. Bilang ng trya. Ano po? One.
Ano, okay na yan, ha?
1, 2, 3. Dapat ang ngayon. Paluin mo siya.
Ano mo yan?
One zero. Ano manaya na? Puno? Nagtanong pa. Yung ano? Nagtanong pa. 1, 2, 3. Tikit ka. Five, 4, 3, 2. Sinalo. All na. Ay, hindi. Parehas silang mabuhay. Tayo, last. Last na to, last ha. Mo yan. Tanda mo na siya yan. Tanda mo na siya. One, 2, 3. Dikit kayo. Ganun talaga. Kaya kung dikit kayo. Sus, dito ano kayo dikit. Nanalo si Dana.
Yun, yan na.
Wala na.
Three, 2, 1, go. No, yun yung photo. Natalo! 1-0.
Tama na, talo ka na.
Ano na ba?
Nakakadalawa na siyang bugi, no? Talo na siya.
Ang ganyan na lang po mga katakos ang aming laro. Sana napasaya namin kayo.
So, ganito na lang po. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more upload na video.
Paalam, salamat.